With the Mira Select project, what we set out to achieve was taking an existing product we had in the market, which has been designed for less able users, and really interrogate whether we can improve it further from where it is today.
In the UK, there are roughly 2 million people who are blind or partially sighted. It's really important for every manufacturer to embed inclusive design into their products and services. When we started working on the evaluation of this product, we were very aware that using a shower can be a frustrating experience. Imagine looking at the shower and understanding how to turn it on and off, how to change the temperature. But imagine doing that without vision. And it's easy to imagine the kind of challenge that many of us have on a day-to-day basis.
When showering under a Mira Select, we'd like people to feel as if they're not excluded. They have a solution that is appropriate and one which they don't have to worry about. They can relax when they use it. The key design considerations began with the recognition that we couldn't use a chrome plate finish, primarily because mirror finishes have a distracting effect and they influence the depth of field understanding for partially sighted users. We then took that forward with matte finishes, satin finishes, and developed all the touch points to be matte black. So all the cues for the bits that you interact with on the product are highlighted with the same finish, both on the mixer shower and on the slide bar and the handset as well. We used a range of infographic material which is in relief, so they can be tactile, whether that be the standby symbol, whether that be elements that reflect braille features in terms of the start and the finish of the range for the temperature control and the range for the flow control. We've got messaging continually being re-endorsed as we go through the project, whether it be by touch or by partial sight.
The RNIB accreditation is for users who are visually impaired, and it's a way of assessing products to ensure that we're serving people who are visually impaired as well as we possibly can. So it's a process you have to go through to essentially have a product assessed by real visually impaired people who will feed back then into the design process, so any changes you can make to make the product easier for them to use. And finally, an actual accreditation that enables specifiers and end users to be fully confident that a product is suitable for use in that application.
At RNIB, we're delighted to have had the opportunity to work with Mira on the Select. What we've really seen here is a company who've been really willing to ask questions, to listen to users, to consult with expert organisations, and then to take those findings and actually integrate them into the design process so that what comes out at the other end is a thoughtfully designed and inclusive and pleasant to use product.